So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro software, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can make the smooth slow motion videos in Premiere Pro software even if the frame rates of the video has been like 30 fps or 15 fps, but you want to make it slower and smooth playback. With smooth playback you can do that in Premiere Pro software. So all you have to do is to simply open the Premiere Pro software and open the project you want to edit, create a project. I have currently created a project named Untitled, and I have imported a video which I want to edit. Now I'll drag this video to the timeline, and now this video has been now playing at its normal speed, which is around 17 seconds video length. And now if I want to make this video slow down, all I have to do is to just simply right click on the video at the timeline, and then you'll see an option of speed and duration. You can see just right there. Simply click on this option and adjust the speed, like slow down the speed as per your convenience. Like if I want to make this video 50% slower, I write 50% over there, and you can see the duration has been now adjusted as per the speed of the video. And now I all have, in order to make this video smooth, all I have to do is to just simply, when you see an option of time interpolation, currently it is set on frame sampling. All I have to do is to just simply click on this and select optical flow. When I set this, the video motion has been flowed by the AI of the software, and now the video playback has been very smooth when you export it or while you render it. It does not contain any of the frame drops, like when you make the slow motion videos of lower fps, it would contain some frame drops. I hope this video will be interesting for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.